What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the filler to fill in grain case number 3. We're going to go live. We're live at 6:28. It is 6:28 here in Denver. I'm going to get a fresh list for everyone. So we got Adam on top and bottom. And guys, top 4 are going to win team each. So Adam on top, Adam on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Hanu on top after 2. Get that timestamp. Timestamp is in at 6:29. 6:29. Guys, third and final time, top 4. Marty, Adam, Hanu, and Adam. Top 4. Sorry, Stace. $6.29. Just turned 6:30. Let me grab the top 4. So Marty, you got the Flyers, Adam the Ducks, Hanu the Canes, and Adam the Wild. Guys, congrats.